In this video, you'll learn how to link Slack to Zendesk effectively. By following these steps, you will be able to integrate these two powerful tools to enhance your communication and support processes. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Slack application. You can do this by entering the URL for your Slack workspace in the address bar. Once the Slack interface loads, ensure you are signed into your account, as this is necessary to access the settings required for integration. Once you are in Slack, direct your attention to the left sidebar and locate the new message button, which is typically marked with a plus sign. Click on this button to initiate a new message. This action will open a new message window where you can begin your... Next, find and click on the admin option located in the sidebar. This section contains the administrative controls for your Slack workspace. Upon clicking admin, a new screen will appear displaying various administrative. After that, select the workspace settings option from the admin menu. This will redirect you to a new page that includes various settings related to your workspace. Here, you will manage integrations and other important functionalities. Once this page loads, look for the integrations section in the settings menu. Click on it to view all available integrations. This section is crucial for linking external applications like Zendesk to your Slack workspace. Following this, you will see a list of available integrations. Click on the recommended apps option to view suggested applications for your workspace. This list will help you find popular integrations. Now, in the search bar, type Zendesk. This will filter the available applications to show you the Zendesk integration specifically. Once you see the Zendesk option, click on it to access its installation page. After selecting Zendesk, you will be taken to a new screen that provides details about the integration. Here, click on the Install button to begin the installation process. This action will initiate the connection between Slack and Zendesk. Following the installation, you will see a prompt to add to Slack. Click this button to finalize the integration. This step is essential as it confirms your intention to link Zendesk with your Slack workspace. If you would like to try adding Zendesk to Slack yourself, I've placed the link in the description and pinned comment below. This will allow you to revisit the integration process at your convenience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.